Hello, and welcome to the Learn English, Love English channel. Today, we will explore the enchanting poem The Cloud by P.B. Shelley. This poem beautifully captures the cloud's journey and its impact on nature. The cloud begins by describing how it brings fresh showers to thirsty flowers. These flowers eagerly await water from the seas and streams, highlighting the cloud's vital role in nurturing life. In addition to providing rain, the cloud also offers light shade for leaves resting in their midday slumber. This gentle act of kindness allows the leaves to dream peacefully under the cloud's protective embrace. The cloud's wings shake off dews that awaken sweet buds, gently rocking them like a mother cradling her child. This imagery paints a tender picture of the cloud's nurturing nature. With this flail, the cloud unleashes lashing hail, turning green plains white. This dramatic transformation demonstrates the cloud's ability to bring both beauty and destruction to the earth. However, the cloud's power is not solely destructive. It dissolves the hail into rain, laughing as it passes by with the sound of thunder. This playful side of the cloud adds depth to its character. The cloud's laughter and thunderous presence remind us of its dual nature. It can be both gentle and fierce, nurturing and powerful, embodying the complexities of nature itself. Through its actions, the cloud brings life, shade, and change to the earth. It plays a crucial role in maintaining the balance of nature, ensuring that all living things thrive. The poem The Cloud by P.B. Shelley beautifully captures these themes. It invites us to appreciate the cloud's multifaceted nature and its essential contributions to our world. As we reflect on this poem, we gain a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all things. The cloud's journey serves as a reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of the cloud. We hope you enjoyed this journey through Shelley's poetic masterpiece. Stay tuned for more literary adventures on the Learn English, Love English channel.